Hi everyone, this is Alvin and I'm here to help you prepare for your CSS paper 2, that is English Precis Composition. I have been teaching at ARTD Business School, and during this period I have trained the students to excel and achieve multiple merit certificates in the paper of Functional English, and we can certainly train you to clear this paper of English Precis Composition, which is a very important paper for CSS candidates. So let's meet soon with some tips and tricks to understand and solve a paper, because we have the right material and the sessions which will definitely prepare you for this paper within weeks, and you can achieve your goals, which was not even a possibility before this. So since it is a competitive exam indeed, so let's get set and go. See you soon.